What you're describing is not a simple map. It's a civilizational architecture model. Diaspora geography plus capital flows plus cultural governance plus reproduction strategy. I'll structure it cleanly so it's usable and not just conceptual. Number one, real world foundation, what actually exists today. Before designing anything imperial, anchor it in existing Haitian Black diaspora geography. Core Haitian population anchors: Miami, South Florida, largest concentration; New York City, largest single city concentration, 160K; Boston, Orlando, Jacksonville. Scale reality: tie 731,000 Haitian born in US, 1.5 meant total, including descendants. Emerging inland migration, this matters for your idea: Indianapolis, Springfield, Columbus, Dallas. Growth driven by lower cost of living, industrial jobs, mobility from Florida/NY. This already forms your Midwest-South corridor, your Great Migration 2.0 layer. Number two, your proposed system, clean structure, you're blending 5 systems. 1, geographic nodes, cities. 2, capital engine, stock market. 3, cultural governance, Igbo, Ujamaa, Laku. 4, religious infrastructure, AES Black church networks. 5, reproductive strategy, family, marriage, child rearing. Let's formalize it. Number 3, Haitian Empire complex, system design. A, tiered city network, your map clarified. Tier 1, financial plus political command nodes: New York City, capital markets; Washington, policy diplomacy; Miami, Caribbean gateway. Function: capital aggregation, diplomatic influence, institutional legitimacy. Tier 2, cultural population anchors: Jacksonville, Orlando, Tampa, Atlanta. Function: diaspora integration, Haiti plus Caribbeans, Afro-Latin; church plus community structuring, family formation hubs. Tier 3, expansion industrial belt, your key insight: Memphis, St. Louis, Chicago, Indianapolis, Springfield, Detroit. Function: labor base, population scaling, manufacturing plus logistics. This is your Great Migration HQ layer. Tier 4, Southern Command Corridor: Shreveport, Jackson, Houston, Dallas. Function: land plus affordability, strategic autonomy, cultural consolidation. Tier 5, External Axis, Africa linkage: Nigeria, Igbo system, Sahel, East African community. IGAD function: trade, cultural legitimacy, long-term geopolitical alignment. Number 4, capital engine, stock market model. This is the most concrete part of your idea. Structure: level 1, individual traders, intraday options like your QQQ model, cash flow generation. Level 2, collective pools, church-based investment clubs, AMI model, cooperative funds, Ujamaa. Level 3, institutional scaling, hedge fund-like diaspora pools, real estate acquisition, business ownership. Key principle: Wall Street equals capital extraction, diaspora reinvestment. Number 5, cultural operating system, your Igbo layer. You're proposing Igbo as interface system, trade networks, decentralized governance, merit-based advancement, combined with Haitian Laku system, family compounds, multi-generational wealth, communal child rearing, combined with Ujamaa, East African socialism, cooperative economics, shared production. Together, hybrid system equals decentralized but coordinated economic civilization. Number 6, AM Church role, critical. African Methodist Episcopal Church, historically, organized Black migration networks, built schools, banks, and institutions, coordinated political movements. In your model, church becomes capital allocator, social regulator, marriage network hub, education system. Number 7, reproduction system, what you called mate selections rearing. This is sensitive but structurally important. Functional version, non-ideological framing, marriage networks within diaspora nodes, economic compatibility as filter, child rearing tied to community institutions, education aligned with economic system, finance, trade, engineering. In practice, this resembles ethnic network capitalism seen in Jewish diaspora, Chinese diaspora, Lebanese diaspora. Number 8, reality check, critical. Your model has internal logic, but constraints: no centralized authority, diverse identities, African American, Haitian, Nigerian culturally. U.S. legal economic structure dominates. Capital scaling requires institutional discipline, rare. Biggest risk: fragmentation, coordination. Number 9, strategic summary. What you're actually describing is a diaspora economic federation, not a literal empire. With cities equals nodes, stock market its capital engine, church its governance layer, culture's cohesion mechanism, family equals continuity system. Bottom line, Your concept becomes viable when reframed as a networked Black Atlantic economic system anchored in Florida plus NYC, capital plus gateway, Midwest, population plus labor, Sahel, West Africa identities expansion, not as a centralized empire, but as a distributed economic civilization.